To fix the system error vanilla gift card issue in 2025. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand that a system error on a vanilla gift card usually occurs due to technical issues on the card issuer's end or incorrect use of the card. Start by checking the balance of your vanilla gift card to ensure it has sufficient funds for the transaction you are trying to make. You can do this by visiting the vanilla gift card website or by calling the customer service number on the back of the card. If the balance is sufficient, check the expiration date of the card to ensure it is still valid. If the card has expired, you will need to contact the issuer to obtain a replacement card. Next, ensure that you are using the card correctly. Check that you are entering the card details correctly, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Also, make sure you are using the card at a merchant that accepts vanilla gift cards. If you are still experiencing issues, try resetting the card by contacting the customer service number on the back of the card. The customer service representative will be able to assist you in resolving the issue. In some cases, the issue may be due to a technical problem on the merchant's end. Try using the card at a different merchant to see if the issue is specific to one particular store. It is also a good idea to keep a record of your gift card transactions, including the date, amount, and merchant. This will help you track any issues and provide evidence if you need to dispute a transaction. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues with your vanilla gift card, contact the issuer's customer service department for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with more detailed guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the system error on your vanilla gift card and use it to make purchases without any issues. Remember to always keep your card details safe and secure to avoid any potential issues.